shaping? Okay, Lily, here's your clue. Ben, here's your clue.
Can you read the clue for me? Because I don't know what.
Well, you gotta just open it up and see what the clue is.
I know the picture.
You do? How do you know? Open yours, Ben.
That's it. Huh?
Open it up, Ben.
Okay.
What is that, Lil? What does it look like? Let me see. Show the camera. What is that?
You know what it is.
No, I'm not sure. Ben, what is it?
Yeah.
What is that a picture of?
Let me
Lil?
see, Ben.
Lily, what is it?
More.
Now, what do you see here? Is that a picture of a baby? That's a picture of a baby in a mommy's belly.
I say
What
not.
was that clue?
I say not.
Where do you think that baby is?
Macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese.
Do you know? I think it's
Oh,
It's a
Mommy,
baby.
Daddy,
Wait,
look
is
at
it-
you,
wait.
Mommy, look at you.
Whose belly do you think that baby's
Look
in?
at you.
Yes.
You
Look,
think?
say cheese, Mom.
Yep.
Wait, so do we have to
Say
look?
cheese, Mommy.
No.
Say cheese.
Listen. We have some news to tell you guys. Mommy, Ben, listen. Mommy has a baby in her belly right now. Growing. And do you know what it is?
it's a
baby
baby sister.
That's a surprise.
Yes!
Mommy,
There's a baby sister growing. You see how big it is?
Oh my God.
take your shirt off.
Oh no! I don't take my shirt off. You want to feel it? Feel
It's
it.
a surprise then.
The surprise is that there's a baby in my belly.
I want to see.
A baby sister.
You can't see, Ben. You can look at the picture, Ben.
No, you can't see in my belly. I can't take my shirt off. You have to just feel it. You can't see. It's inside. You know where she is? Right about here. And soon, in a couple months, you'll be able to feel her kick.
When would you kick?
Like maybe in like a month or two.
What do you think, Lily? Are you excited for a sister?
You get a baby sister like you've always wanted. What do you think?
I'm keeping this picture now. I'm telling you so. I'm telling everybody.
Are you excited?
Are you happy?
Very happy. Ha ha. Ah, you baby sister.
Okay, now.
Tell us how happy you are. Are you sure you wouldn't want a baby brother?
What?
Are you sure you wouldn't want a baby brother?
No, because you're getting a baby sister.
Ben, how do you feel, Ben?
What do you think?
Are you
Ben?
excited?
You're gonna get a little sister, Ben.
Are you excited, Ben?
What do you think?
What do you think, buddy?
I bet he won the baby brother.
Oh,
Boy,
well, because he's getting a baby sister.
yeah.
You
Oh,
excited? Can you believe it? Did you think you were gonna actually get a